My name's Daniel. Hey, stuck you in control. Don't control right. Leave me alone. I'm speculative. That is my daughter. She's in Police America, United States of America. Now I'm his uncle to her. Now I speculate that when she was spotted there, I was very happy, grateful, happy. So today I want to give a summon. She's my daughter, and she should understand. She promised me that to build for a big house called bungalow, and now I am the first one who informed her that you go ask for the seat of Obama. You are Obama was mixed up, but she is. A typical English, typical African. So she's black. So she lived here in Kenya when he had 9 years old. So he has gone there for 30 years. He has learned to have there, and now she has become a senator of United States of America. Amen. Next we are wishing for her. Next time we are wishing her to be a president of United States.
All right. Thank you.
Msitio gari yangu asikanyage.
Commando. Full. We have my daughter, Huldah Nyamira in a chip. I've said he had a son called Senior Chief Movisa Ogeli.
That's right.
He is my uncle to I, and now I want to appreciate all of your farmer in the United States of America.
Devin, I'm walking in the hood. I sing in America.